the daylight is shorter. Then another advantage is we love to, the Canadian love to watch sunset. Sunset. We always sit around and then just watch the suns go down. It's very romantic. This is what I liked about. We used to go to the seawall after dinner, and it's still bright with our little. We have 3 puppies. 4. We have 5 animals. not. I mean, real. We've got 2 cats. The 2 cat is not mine. The cat hate me. Yeah, the cat really hate me. Yeah. One of the old cats is fine. The younger cat, oh, he doesn't really. He can never sit next to me or walk away.
Because you are a dog person.
No, we had the cat first.
Oh.
He just don't like me. Too bad. And I don't like him.
I was gonna
It's
say,
mutual.
You don't sound heartbroken.
Yeah, mutual.
When I do my laundry, he is always sit on my clean laundry. You know what I mean? They love
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
clean
they,
laundry.
Yeah, of course. It's nice.
And I'm allergic to it.
Oh,
Of course. Well, then,
That's
ordinarily,
why,
if you're
yeah.
allergic, they like you.
that's right.
They
Or
climb
if you don't
all-
like cats and they come and rub on you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
And I'm have to now, just to show you. Then I would have to paint the make it flat, and then it's ready to wash. Okay. Oh,
It dries it too.
She missed all this. Too bad.
I hope it wasn't an emergency.
We'll keep it a secret.
Pam's recording.
That's like doing stencils.
Hmm.
Remember on the shirts?
See, when it's flat, then I could do the shadowing. Otherwise, it will
It'll
have
be
a lot
uneven, yeah.
of crack stroke. Like, well, that's it.
That looks good.
Indigo and
Black?
inks, okay,
Okay.
for the water, okay. Now, you can always use black, but indigo will be a much better colors to mix with black. Now, don't spray any water, okay? Don't
Really?
spray. Okay, don't spray. And then longer brush. And then before you begin now, this is it. Did I show you this before? No, this. If your brush has too much
Take
water,
the
Take a little
water
bit
out.
out, yeah.
That's how I have everybody do it too.
so it will help you.
And once again, it's a horsehair. Silly me, huh? Hey,
Is that the Chinese or the Japanese indigo?
This made in Taiwan.
Taiwanese.
Yes.
Does it bleed or not?
It bleeds.
All of
Oh.
it bleeds.
If your friends are going to Taiwan, and I ask you to remind me a lot of things you do need to remind because I don't remember what I promised you or asking you. Okay, if your friend's going to Taiwan, if you want the address, or you give me your address, remember that, and then I will or you email to me and tell me what you guys want to order from Taiwan, and then I will have him contact you directly. Then you the sets of seven from the sun mark. The wholesale number 3 or number 4 to extra large.
Extra large.
It's about 100. Well, including if you bring it back, it's about 100 or around that, or a little more than maybe up to 100.
And there's how many
Okay.
brushes?
7.
Seven.
That's really
For
good.
$100, that's a good price.
It's less than $15 a
Yeah,
month.
yeah.
A really good Shama brush can cost you $50-$60 for
Um,
one.
Taiwan, in Taiwan, there are many manufacturers make wholesale brush, but like the Malin John had wholesale brush, he has his own
Supplier. Yeah.
supplier, but I don't like it. I don't like the wholesale from Malin John.
Yeah.
They're not really good.
Some of their brushes are just okay.
Now,
Yeah.
over here that you can take your time, you can fill in the colors, but then come to a wider space, and that is what here important, that you make sure that you don't overuse it. Okay, when you need it, you press it down like this. When you press it down like this, and then you go. Otherwise, you only use half of the hair. Okay, so half of the hair is mostly darker colors. So your waters doesn't have lots of messy. So when you see now, if just now I would just plus a little water because it's getting dry. Now, if you want to be safe by don't know how much water you can take in a brush, you can plus this.
Right.
Okay, or you could
Spritz.
do this. So you are in control. Those little small things are so important in helping you doing a good job. Now see? Now each time when I do this, I don't do a very big stroke, small stroke, much easier to merge. And then slowly bit. See that? And when you see colors turning light, that means you're out of colors or out of water.
Yeah.
Then you do that.
Spritz. Yep. Add more
And then you back to.
color.
And then before you brush it, just see what it emerge. Okay. See, I turn. And until you say, oh, I'm done.
Your liner at the bottom.
See, the,
Blend
that's it. And that's how.
out. And the blue makes the white look whiter.
Yes.
You see, this one, I have the blue for the, oh, sorry. See, there's a little thing that I miss.
Mhm.
Yes. Some of them are just like this one. I just leave it there. It's quite nice. This one is okay, but not this one. Okay, here's it's natural. Okay. Uh-oh. Any question?
Oh, it just makes it stand out.
It's so cute.
And that's all dry up there now.
The snow is dry on the top.
On the paper.
Yeah.
No spring. Now, within the mountains, not even close to the edge here,
Ah.
color will go, so avoid that. Yeah?
And the snow is coming down on the sides.
And then we wait until they dry, then we paint the mist around here. There. Okay. Then I close my eyes.
Oh.
Now I have it's almost like this. It's almost
Think of-
now this idea is correctly, but you don't fold it like
Right.
this.
You just pull it.
Oh, you
No,
just
like
pull-
this.
Pull it, see?
Yeah, pull it and crunch
See,
it.
you don't look at
See.
them.
Yeah,
Mm.
you're just
Yeah.
crimping.
Yeah.
I have to say that's what I did.
Now and then you just if you look at them, it
It's too regular.
You make it too big.
Yeah.
so you squeeze and then so spraying now like this, you will find your lines are all lined up that they don't have any
Character.
characters. Yes, but one attempt only, and then went flat.
Yeah.
It disappeared. So you can only print one, but normally, after the third attempt, the line was sort of stabilized and it become permanent. Okay. Now, if you don't have that kind of paper, you can use any paper.
Craft paper will work.
Yeah, like this, okay? And then you twist it,
Yeah, yeah, we twist.
you twist like this. And then when you start opening out, okay, don't use a small size, this is too small. The larger is better, okay? Now, when you open it up like this, okay? Now, now you see it right here, too regular. That's no good. Now, this can't even use it. Now, this is a good texture, but as I said, they are not. They won't stay very long. Okay, so
JamesTan secret spray.
Now, remember I was telling you yesterday, spray. Okay. Now, you see, if you now they have even more textures. Okay. Now, any
Dirty paper.
There's food inside.
Oh, yeah, it's the,
now sometimes that's why I said larger papers. Now you do that, and then
Now we can squeeze it again.
see that. If you then you